Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to make a delicious dessert for your best friend's birthday party. Come with me if you want to easily transform your dog's party.
For the dough, you will need 1 mashed banana, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened peanut butter without xylitol. This is very important, so check the label. 3 teaspoons of fine rolled oats or oat flour, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or other light oil. And for the topping, you will need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened peanut butter without xylitol. Okay, first preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now, in a bowl, mix the banana, egg, and peanut butter until smooth. Add the oats, honey, and oil. Mix well. Finally, add the baking powder and stir gently. Distribute into cupcake molds and fill to 3/4 full. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean.
While we wait for the cupcakes to cool, let's make the frosting.
Mix the yogurt and the peanut butter. Spread over the cupcake after it has cooled. If you want to decorate it, place a piece of banana or dog biscuit on top.
Give your dog only 1 cupcake per day and store the rest in the refrigerator. Now let's see if Bob approves my recipe. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if your dog liked the cupcakes. Unleash your inner chef today. See you in my next cooking tutorial. Bye!